Welcome to LaGuardia's celebration of our 2020 graduating class. I'm Paul Arcario, interim president at LaGuardia Community College. You, one of more than 3,000 graduates, are earning a degree at a moment of history in our nation. And as we begin our ceremony, I want to take a moment because we are living in an historic time right now. We are witnessing America confronting racism, examining how in a systemic way and in our institutions, we have allowed the poison of racism to cause violence and harm to Black people. It is why, before we begin, I want to say, Black Lives Matter. I and the LaGuardia community strongly denounce racism, and I am asking all of us at the college to do the work to understand and confront the systemic racial bias that permeates our nation and make sure that bias existing within our own community is rooted out. We must recommit to our Black students that LaGuardia will be a safe and supportive campus, open to identifying and confronting our biases in and out of the classroom, and that we will aggressively seek to close gaps in student success. Our Black students must know and experience a campus that is safe from racial hatred and violence, and that we will never tolerate policing that intimidates and frightens our students. Seeing the marches across America calling for racial justice, I'm optimistic that you, our students, this generation will create a better future. Yet, I also know from our history that gains in freedom and equality have come out of organizing, advocacy, and struggle. As you graduate and help shape our nation, and our nation's response to racism, I ask you, and I ask the entire LaGuardia community, to ensure that this moment is one that will be remembered in our history, that of our nation and here at LaGuardia, when we stood up for racial justice and made it clear in words, action, and laws that Black lives matter. Thank you. And now, on to honoring your achievements as this year's graduating class.